Woo, 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 man, oh, bro, back, man. Oh, yeah, the man, he's back. Oh, whacked my finger on the table. All right, I'm just gonna go set this camera up. Okay, spin that around. That's in focus, is that? Yeah, that looks good. Guys, what is going on? It's Jack here. I'm back. It's been about 2 weeks. I've had a bit going on. I'll explain to you what's been going on. I'll explain to you what's going on in my life at the moment, and just a bit of an update as to, you know, why I haven't been posting. I know I usually post a video, it's like every 2, maybe 3 days, but it's been 2 weeks since I've posted, and I'll tell you guys why. So I'm going to get straight into it, and then I'm going to tell you guys what's been going on, because I've got stuff that's coming up in the next week, and then, you know, in pretty much in the next month. So I'll tell you guys all about that. We're going to get straight into it. Welcome back. I'm glad to be back. I've been wanting to post for so long, but I'll explain to you guys why. So we're going to get straight into it. First of all, so this as of about 2 weeks ago, you know, when I was, because if you guys didn't know, I still run my business, my online business, which is helping other people start, you know, Amazon FBA businesses here in Australia, start their own business, start selling online. I will explain more about that later. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If not, you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'll still explain a little bit about that later, because there's some updates coming to that as well. So about 2 weeks ago, I got invited to go to, so originally one of my friends who, she invited me to go to Sydney, a band called the 1975. I hope it's not 19, I'm pretty sure it's the 1975. You guys probably know the band. They were playing in Sydney. She was originally going with someone else, but circumstances occurred and I got invited to go with her instead, because she didn't want to go by herself. So I'm like, sweet, I'll go. Accommodation stuff was paid for. I just need to pay for the flight. I'm like, sweet, I'll go. We spent a few days there, and it was more of like an emergency sort of thing, because I only got organised like a week or so before that. So we organised that. I went to that. I came back. Now, in the midst of all this, we actually had to organise, so it was my family this time, had to organise a trip to go down and see some other family members down in Victoria, because we had sick family members there. Just personal stuff, I'm not going to delve into it, but we had sick family members there, so we had to go down and make about a week trip to there. So it's basically me in Sydney, seeing this band, going back. Now, in the midst of all this, I know, you know, you can't really make excuses, because, you know, you've got a laptop and you can post and all this kind of thing, but we were quite busy around over this 2 weeks. I was personally quite busy, you know, seeing people and doing different stuff, and yeah, you can't make excuses, I know, but it was also served as a little bit of a break. So I went to Sydney, I was back for like a day, maybe 2 days, and then I had to go back out, fly, you know, from where I live in northern Queensland, go to Brisbane, and then, you know, fly to Melbourne to go and see family, and we stayed there for, yeah, almost about a week. Now I'm finally back. So now I've gone and done that. There's still stuff that I'm going to talk about now, which is still happening. So now I've got about a week, and I'm finally back in my groove. I finally got to go to the gym this morning. It's about the middle of the day now, and I can finally, now after this, I'm going to do some more work, catch up with some students, make sure they're all answered for. Now, by the way, even though I was busy and I wasn't posting, doing podcasts and all that, because it was about 2 weeks since I'd done a YouTube video, a podcast, I wasn't posting in the Facebook groups much, because it was more so just, you know, personal stuff, sort of family time stuff. Wanted to keep it, you know, sort of on the down low, and sort of just keep things a bit more simple, you know, because it was family time and all that. You guys understand. So it was basically that, and then yeah, now I've got about a week, and I'm finally getting back into my groove. I went to the gym, getting some work done, and yeah, in the midst of all this, I was still answering back students as quickly as I could, and even if it took a bit longer, I was still answering back students as much as I could, and even YouTube comments and comments in the Facebook groups and that. So I was still keeping in contact with people, I just wasn't posting as much. So now I've got about a week, and I'm going to try and get back into this groove, post as much as I can, because I've been really dying to post on YouTube, and I'm going to be doing a podcast after this as well, and just keeping everyone up to date. And I'll do, you know, some stuff in the Facebook groups and whatnot, and stuff in the student group in Facebook as well. So now it's next Thursday. So today, as of filming this, it's Tuesday. after this week, so on the Thursday, I leave again to go to Melbourne because I've actually got PAX. Now, this is going to be different. This is a solo trip for me, and if you guys are going down there at all, I might meet you guys down there. If you guys are interested in gaming and whatnot. Some of you might on here, probably most of you aren't interested in gaming, but I know there's a few of you out there who are interested in gaming as well, around my age, who like to game. This is going to be my 3rd year in a row for PAX, so it's held in Melbourne at the Convention Centre. If you guys are going there, I might meet you down there. But apart from that, it's going to be a solo trip, and I'm going to be bringing my laptop there, so I will most likely be able to do work on my downtime down there as well, because it is a bit hard when you're with family and whatnot, getting content out and all that stuff. But now that I'm on a solo trip, I can do work down there as well. So I've got that as well. We're down there for, I think, 3 nights, and then I'll be back as well. Now, after that is the biggest thing, and that is when I'm organising all my move and everything to Brisbane, because if you guys didn't know, I'm moving to Brisbane. I've got a place down there, I'm renting down there, so I've got a place down there. I've got to get everything sorted. I've got to, buy all this, new bed, fridge, all that good fun stuff when you're moving. If you guys have moved before, you will know this is the first time for myself, moving out of home and having my own place there. I'm already paying rent there, so I need to get down there. I'm paying my rent and whatnot for it as well, so I need to get down there. But that is the biggest thing as well. So I'm hoping to have all that done because I need to get the internet and everything sorted down there as well. Hoping to have everything done by November. I'm hoping to do that. If not, maybe it'll run through November, but definitely by Christmas I should have everything set up, and then I can fully get into my groove and just really knuckle down, because there's so much that I want to do in terms of e-com excellence, which is my Amazon FBA business. So in terms of that, my online school, helping students and doing updates and all that. And before we end this video, because this isn't going to be a long video, it's just updating you guys on what's going on, because I like to keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with my life, just so if I'm not active at one point, you guys will know why. So after that, when I get into my groove, hopefully I can do it in the midst of all this, but it'll most likely be once I'm settled down. I have in the works a 4.0 update for Ecom Excellence. Now, for the students out there, if you guys are watching this and you're a student, it's exciting stuff. I've already got like 15 plus new video ideas and updated information as well. So if you guys aren't in the course yet, I know I keep pointing at this dude, because this is me right now. I'm actually really excited and happy to be back in my groove. This is me. That's me. Right here, see that? See, if you're not a student and you are interested, now we're up at about 160, maybe to 170 students. It could be more, I can't remember. It's on the website, but I'm doing it at the $3.99 AUD price. It's on the sale price up until we hit 200 students. So if you are interested, I'd say we have about 20 to maybe 25 spots left. They have been going quite quick. Last month was a busy month, and there's a lot more students coming in, a lot more student results coming in. If you want to see some student results, go onto my Instagram. It'll be linked down below. I have a whole highlight story of some of my student results. Even join the free Facebook group, which I have, and you'll see some more student results in there. That's a public Facebook group. If you do join in the course, though, you will get extra content, extra value into the student-only course as well. I do stuff like post weekly product ideas in there as well if you're getting stuck on product ideas. But until we hit 200 students, that will be at the $3.99 AUD price. So if you guys are interested, get in as quickly as you can. I haven't been talking about it much recently because I've been busy with other stuff, but yes, I'm still running the Ecom Excellence course. If you guys are interested, give me a message. Usually how people get into the course is if they have any questions, they'll message me first, or they'll comment on a video, or they'll jump into a Facebook group, leave a post there, ask some questions, get in contact with me. I'll answer any questions that you have. It's basically a step-by-step on how to start selling on Amazon FBA. So yeah, like I said, I think we've got about 170. It could be even more now because I think we've got about 25 spots left. If you are interested and you want to get in on the sale price, that will be going up. It'll be going up for like maybe $150, maybe $200 more than what it is now. So it's $3.99 AUD. That's complete everything. Unlimited support from myself and the group. That's all included in there. You won't have to pay for any updates. This 4.0 update that I'm talking about, once it releases, if you're already in the course, you'll get it for free. So any updates that come in the future for free, there's no more hidden costs or fees or anything like that. It's just a one-time thing. I know I've heard a lot of these other people that are coming up that are interested in my course. They're saying to me, hey, look, there's some people out here charging $2,000 to $3,000 for a course, and I don't understand that. The reason I've made it $399 AUD, I'll probably never make it up to $1,000. I can't see in the foreseeing future at all, because I'd rather have have any students that go in there have more money put aside for their initial order on their product, and put it, towards anything like product research software or anything like that. So that's why I don't see myself charging anywhere near $1,000 for this course. Even though the price is going up slightly, I'm making it cheaper for the first 200 students that are getting in. Once we hit that, it'll go up a bit more so I can focus on the students that are in there. If you are interested, let me know. It's the first link down below. It's ecomexcellence.com.au. But apart from that, guys, I just thought I'd update you guys on what's been going on. And apart from that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This video's probably gone over 10 minutes already. Just wanted to fill you guys in, and you will be seeing a lot more of me in the Facebook groups, on Instagram, all my socials. I'll try and keep you guys up to date while I'm over there as well. Maybe we'll do a PAX video, who knows? I might film a video on PAX. I might bring my camera along as well. We'll see how we go. Apart from that, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. If you have any questions about anything I've just spoken about, let me know, comment down below, or give me a Facebook message. My personal Facebook is linked down below as well. Apart from that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.